Yes, teak just a few years ago that was $230 worth. Today that was $460 worth of December 2023. You want to make some steps out of teak? Just get this all in your face and you got steps. 3 steps, go up to the fly, complete that. Did the complete bottom, paint, anti-fouled the prop with prop speed, 3 coats on the bottom, the entire thing. All the clamshells on through holes, and for the very first time ever, washed the hull. Even though it's new, we still have to wash it. It's been sitting around for a while. Put the gloss on the transducers, special prop speed, new through bolts, those through bolts for the new zincs, new steering pumps fore and aft at the fly bridge, new video monitor up the fly bridge, rocket launchers and backing plates, about ready to install those, and the before and the after for the aft lazarette. The before, after. Sample enclosure. We're going to build the plastic enclosure. Made the tables really big. The salon, that's for the start stops generators, intercom, inverter, new canvas up at the tuna tower. Pulled up the 24 and the 12 volt main power to the fly bridge, and all the conduit and the steering lines. And a bunch of new wires pulled up there. Bracket for the aft nav light. Dogs for the port lights. Had to machine those, precision, custom, and backing plates. Had to water jet those. And countersink them and round the edges so that they will be for the backing plates for the staple rails back at the aft swim step. New brackets for the bait, the fish boxes in the transom. Area takes for the engine room, and masking up and below so that we can paint the perimeter of the fly bridge. There you go. You see the shadow, nice and shiny. Sonar number 1 in. Sonar number 2 in. Sonar number 3 in. Oh, tons and tons of new wires pulled up there, and none of them hooked up. About ready to hook them up. Powder coated the bench seat bed for the upper fly aft station. Captain's gonna love that. Did the geometry and figured out the lift shock system for the engine room entry, and ordered and specified the lift shocks at $300 per lift shock. We need 2. The steps and the entry for the engine room, finally putting that on, and finally taking off the construction work ladder. This is December 2023 with progress report from Greg Moore, Boatyard, San Diego. Thank you.